Hello everyone, welcome to the Frontline USA X. Today our topic is Dream Hacking 2026. Can technology control your dreams? Okay, we discussed this topic. What if your dreams are not entirely your own? What if while you sleep your mind is not as private as you think and somewhere technology is being to understand, influence and possibly even control what you see and feel in your dreams? This idea may sound unreal, but in 2026 the connection between technology and the human brain is becoming stronger than ever before. Dreams have always been one of the most mysterious parts of the human experience. They are personal, unpredictable, and often impossible to fully understand. Scientists have spent decades studying sleep and brain activity trying to uncover why we dream and what those dreams means, and now with modern advancement they are getting closer to decoding the patterns of the mind. During sleep, the brain remains highly active, processing information, memories, emotion, and experience. Advanced brain scanning technologies have allowed researchers to observe these patterns in way that were never possible before, identifying single signals that correspond to certain image thought and emotions. This has opened the door to something that was once unimaginable, the possibility of reading the influencing dreams. Imagine a device capable of sending signals to the brain while you sleep, subtle signals that guide your dreams in a specific direction, creating certain image or emotion without you even realizing it. Is it this concept now as known as dream hacking is being explored in research environments where scientists are experimenting with ways to interact with the sleeping mind. In some studies, participants have been able to respond to external cues while dreaming, showing that the boundary between the dreaming mind and the outside world is not completely closed, to suggest that communication with a dreaming person is possible, and if communication is possible, then influence may also be possible. The rises a powerful question: if technology can influence dream, what limits exist and who control that influence? Could it be used to for positive purpose such as therapy, learning or creativity, or could it be misused in way that affect thoughts, emotion and even decisions? The idea of dream hacking is not just about controlling what someone sees in their sleep. It is about understanding the deeper connection between technology and consciousness as device becoming more advanced and capable in interacting directly with the brain. The potential for influence increasing, creating both opportunities and risk. One possible application of this technology is a mental health guided dreams can be used to help people process trauma, reduce anxiety and or overcome fears by creating controlled dream environments where individuals can safely explore their thoughts and emotions. This could represent a major breakthrough in the therapy, offering new ways to support mental well-being. At the same time, there are concerns about privacy and control. The mind has always been considered a private space, a place where thought and experience are free from external interference. It technologies being to enter that space, it arises important questions about consent, security and ethical boundaries. Imagine a future where advertisement, message, or ideas could be introduced into dreams, influencing how people think and feel without their conscious awareness. This possibility highlights the importance of regulating such technologies and ensuring that they are used responsibly. This could change everything you know about the future because it challenges the idea that our thoughts and dreams are entirely our own. It introduces a new level of interaction between humans and machines, one that goes beyond screens and device into the core of our consciousness. This is also the question of how reliable and accurate this technology can become. While current research shows promising results, the human brain is incredibly complex and not all aspects of dreaming are fully understood. Interpreting brain signals and translating them into meaningful experiences is a challenge that scientists are still working to overcome. Even so, the progress made so far suggests that we are moving closer to a future where the line between internal experience and external technology become less defined. As this happens, the way we understand privacy, identity, and control may need to be reconsidered. Other important aspect to consider is how people might adapt to such technology. Would individuals be willing to allow controlled dreaming if it offer benefits, or would concern about manipulation outweigh the advantages? These decisions will shape how this technology is developed and used in the future. The concept of dream hacking also connects to larger discussion about artificial intelligence and human enhancement. As AI become more capable for analyzing and predicting human behavior, its integration with brain technology could create systems that not only understand thoughts but also influence them in subtle ways. In such a world, the ability to think freely and independently become even more valuable, and protecting that freedom become a priority not just for individuals but for society as a whole. At the same time, it is important to recognize that much of this technology is still in development and not all possibilities are immediately achievable. There is a difference between what is theoretically possible and what is practically implemented. Understanding this decision helps maintain a balanced perspective on the topic. As you think about your own experience with dreams, consider how real they can feel. Thank you very much. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share it. Thank you, America. Thank you, USA.